Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode. There we have a Do Not Disturb mode. Now make sure that you have this feature activated, like here. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose the eye icon. Now go to the notifications. Of course you have to turn it on, accept all of the notification types, the batch, pop-up, just copy these settings, and after that go to the in-app notification settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. Then go back, choose the mobile data now, and select the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, go to the storage and try to clear your cache files. After that, if you still don't have your notifications, clear all data and just delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account. Remember to make the backup of your messages. In the next step, try to reset your network settings. So go to the general management, swipe down to reset, and choose the network settings. Tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, try to update your system. So go to the software updating settings, choose download and install, and if you have any updates, just install it and check for the alerts again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.